Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you know when my new video is up. Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Mint and today we are going to make something I love. We are making one L.O.L Surprise doll, but we are gonna make it super duper miniature. Let's make one doll for our doll. Follow me. First, we are gonna place a small piece of clay in a toothpick. We then will try to shape the face of the doll. Remember, the doll's face is not completely circular, so we will try to make it a little bit more oval, like so. With another piece of clay, we are going to place the piece in a dotting tool. You could use the back of a small brush as well. And we start making the dress. It is good to take your time. We cut a small square of black clay and we place it in the front of the face like bangs. We want to make the doll's hairstyle. We place it very carefully and we cut a triangle shape on the right side. We cut the excess with a toothpick. And we continue. We want to create a sort of pyramid in her hair, like a pharaoh. With a small dots of clay or paint if you prefer, we place one by one to create a headband, like the one she has with pearls. We add the head carefully to the body. We add one of the arms. We add the second arm. If you want, you can make the pose that you want the arms to have before placing them in the body. It's easier that way. With two pieces of clay, we make the legs. We glue them together. And we add them to the body like so. We cut the excess. We place the doll in parchment paper and we put it in the oven following the instructions in the package. With white acrylic paint, we start to make the base for the eyes. Then, we paint one line of purple paint, like the doll's eyes. We paint the center black. We paint the eyelashes and eyeliner as well. We place one dot of red acrylic paint. We paint the necklace and accessories like the belt, blue. We paint the shoes blue as well. We add a couple of black dots with acrylic paint to the necklace and belt. We paint the dress yellow and we are done! this is the final result. I hope you love it as much as I do. And let me know in the comments if you want me to make more miniature dolls like this one. And if you want to see more polymer clay tutorials in the future, I just love using polymer clay. If you're not part of the Mint family, subscribe to the channel, it's free and fun. Love you a lot, keep being awesome, and see you tomorrow. Mint out, bye bye!